So what can we do with the digital paper? I am going to show you really quickly right here in Canva. There are tools in Canva where you can build out mock-ups without having to visit another site. So I am going to use maybe the design with all the heads, the head design. I'm going to select download. I'm sorry, I'm not going to select download because I'm creating mockups. I'm going to select the three ellipse, the three dots. I'm going to type or search for smart mockups. Before you get started with smart mockups, you will need to be logged in, and I will go to smartmockups.com. So this is the website. You have to create an account and you have to be logged in. It does have a free version, but there are limitations to it. Just realize that with anything that's free, there will be limitations to it. When you pay for a subscription, then you get access to their other tools. So I'm already logged in. So when I go to Canva and the three dots, search for Smart Mockups, select the image that I want to use for the mockups, I then select Save. But before I hit continue editing or go to home page, I will pause and select this small little word here. I wish they would make it bigger, but it's not. So make sure you select view in smart mockups. It's outside of what you typically do. So what smart mockups will do from Canva, it will build your smart mockups. So when you want to show in your Etsy listing or your Shopify listing what people can do with the digital paper, you can create your mockups from your design without leaving Canva. So if I wanted to show people that they could use the design to create their own journals, notebooks, um, let's see here, what else we got here? Even cosmetic labels. So if I wanted to be the plug for cosmetic labels, I could use my design to show people that they can create designs using the image, the digital paper, to create different products. So this is a way that you can get people to understand what you're selling and a way to market your digital paper. Once you find the mockup that you like, you can go ahead and select download, and then you can use it as a preview in your Etsy listing. If you download more than one image, you could go ahead and create a video in Canva just by uploading the images. So I'm going to use what I have here, and I'm going to go ahead and select animate. So that way in Etsy I can bring a video in and people can see all the things that they can create with a design. Let's go ahead and bring in some of the downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new setup, create a new design, and I'm going to do a video. Okay, I'm going to go back to my old pattern because I want to grab, let's see here, one of the mock-ups or a couple of the mock-ups. So page one, maybe I want to use page one as maybe a t-shirt design. Let's see, all designs and t-shirt designs. So they have all type of setups that you can use with people in them, without people in them. I'm just going to select medium, and then I'm going to go back, and it doesn't lose its place with your design. Go back, and maybe I'll select that image. I can customize the scene if I want to, change the t-shirt color, download medium. Maybe I want to go to all mockups. Let me go back because I fell out of my. Go to mockups. So I want to be sure that it goes back into my design. So I'm just going to back out of it. Did I lose it? That's all right if I lost it. I'm going to go ahead and go back into Canva, view smart mockups, and then select maybe posters, download it, medium, and just back out of it. I'm not going to select anything else. I'm just going to back out of it. And then go back to my menu, go to pillows, select it, download it. So now I have 4 images from the mockup selected and created. And the one thing about using the free version, you will have the watermark for smart mockups on your design, which for me is not a problem because I want my mockups to be watermarked anyway. So I'm fine with that. It's totally up to you, whatever you decide to do. Then once I get them all downloaded, I'm going to go back to my video page for Etsy, and I want to resize it because I want it to actually be 8.5 by 11. So that's the size of my video. So I'm going to upload those images from Smart Mockups. Just drag and drop them. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Maybe I want to just, let's see, delete this one out, and then maybe I want to crop it. Just so I can get it to fill the page better, to show it as a poster. And I just took some random pictures. Now I can select animate. Let's see here, go to the first page, animate. Because it's filling the whole page, it's not giving me what I want like that. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Just paste it into the page and stretch it. So that way it's not showing as a background. And then go ahead and add, there we go, an effect on it. And I'm going to go to the next one, delete her out and just drop her in there. Don't want her as a background. And the same thing with this page, delete that out. But I have to crop it again. Done, stretch it so it's not filling the whole page. And then when I go back to the first page, photo zoom, I want to apply it to everything. So I selected my page animation and then I added it to all the pages. So when I play it, it's a 15-second video. I can add this to my Etsy page so people can see what they can do with the design, with your designer paper. I will just call it that, with your designer paper. So you can download it as an MP4 and upload it into Etsy or into your Shopify store, or use it as an ad in your social media, on your social media platforms. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please be sure to email info@cocotwins.com and reference digital paper. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.